Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sketch effect in After Effects. First, import your footage into a new composition. Duplicate your layer and rename the top layer to Sketch Effect. This setup is crucial for applying the effects non-destructively. We'll then apply a few simple effects to this top layer to achieve our desired look, making sure to adjust the settings for optimal results. Now, select your sketch effect layer and go to Effect Stylize Find Edges. Check the Invert box within the effect controls to get a white background with black lines. Next, change the blending mode of this layer to Color Dodge or Linear Dodge Add. This step is vital for blending the sketch lines with your original footage, creating a transparent, drawn appearance. To further refine the sketch, add a tint effect to your sketch effect layer. This will convert the image to black and white, enhancing the sketch aesthetic. Then, apply the Roughen Edges effect to give the lines a more organic, hand-drawn quality. Experiment with the border and scale settings to achieve the perfect amount of imperfection, making your sketch truly unique. For a dynamic sketch, animate the evolution property within the Roughen Edges effect. Set keyframes or use an expression like time*100 for continuous movement. You can also add a turbulent displace effect to the sketch effect layer for subtle, wobbly line animation. Adjust the amount and size to create a gentle, shifting texture, bringing your sketch to life with a natural, hand-drawn feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.